Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Tapioca flour is excellent for baking, especially when it comes to gluten-free goods. Adding just the right amount of tapioca flour to your baked treats will create a light, airy, crispy and chewy texture.
Take our lead.
Use 1 tablespoon of arrowroot, cornstarch, or flour for every 1½ teaspoons of tapioca starch called for. Bear in mind, these substitutes may not be gluten-free. These substitutes are intended to replace the tapioca in pie fillings, cobblers, and similar dishes.
Take our lead.
For frying, people may use tapioca flour when frying food. It makes a good coating for meat, fish, or other foods before the frying takes place. This helps create a crispy crust or outer layer during the frying process.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Due to its lack of protein and nutrients, tapioca is nutritionally inferior to most grains and flours. 1. In fact, tapioca can be considered a source of empty calories, since it provides energy but almost no essential nutrients.
Let's help you make your mark.
When is tapioca vegan? Tapioca itself is vegan. Both the ingredients that go into it, cassava root, and the processing methods that create it are free of animal products. Most of the breads and pastas tapioca is used in are also vegan.
Take our lead.
What is soluble tapioca fiber? Soluble tapioca fiber is a ketogenic-friendly sweetener that is being used in many of your favorite products. It is made from non-GMO corn syrup that has been broken down through an enzymatic-based process, leaving you with a true keto-friendly fiber.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.